Welcome back to our channel Aglasem Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 5, that is Arithmetic Progressions. So starting with the third exercise, that is 5.3, our first question says find the sum of the following arithmetic progressions. So part 1 says 2, 7, 12 and so on to 10th term. So arithmetic progression, that is 2, 7, 12 and so on. So here we know A as 2 and D we can find as 7 minus 2, that is 5. So the sum of nth term of an arithmetic progression is given, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So applying the values in this formula, we will get 10 upon 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. Solving this, we will get S10 as 245. Moving to our second part, which says minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on to 12th term. So answer is, the sum of the term of arithmetic progression is given the formula here, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And here we know that a is minus 37 and d we know that minus 33 minus into minus 37 will give you 4. So S12 is equals to 12 upon 2 into 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. Solving this, we will get minus 180. Third part says 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on to 100 terms. So here we know AP is given, that is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on. So we know that A is 0.6 and we can find D, that is 1.7 minus 0.6, which will give you 11. The sum of terms of an AP is given, that is the formula. So now applying the values in this formula, we will get 5505 as S100. Moving to our fourth part, which says 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10 and so on to 11th term. Again we know A as 1 upon 15, D we can find it as 1 upon 60. The sum of n term of an AP is given the formula. Now we have to find S11, that is 11 upon 2 into 2 into 1 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 upon 60. Solving this, we will get 33 upon 20 as S11. Second question says find the sum given below. Part 1 says 7 plus 10, 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus dash plus 84. So A we know 7, D we can find it as, it will come as 7 upon 2. So here we have to let the nth term of AP is 84, that is this. So AN is equal to 84. Further solving, we will get A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 84. So now n will come as 23. So the sum of n terms of AP is given by Sn is equals to n upon 2 into A plus 1. So applying the value, we will get S23 as 1046 1 upon 2. Part 2 says 34, 32, 30 and so on plus 10. So here A is 34 and D is minus 2. And let the nth term of AP is 10. So AN is equal to 10. A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 10. So 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 is equals to 10. Solving this, we will get n as 30. So the sum of nth of the AP is given, that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into A plus L. So applying the value in this formula, we will get S13 as 286. Third part says minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus dash plus minus 230. So here we know A as minus 5 and D we can find as minus 3. So let the nth term of arithmetic progression is minus 230. So AN, which is equals to minus 230. So A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to minus 230. Solving this, again we will get n as 76. So the sum of nth term of arithmetic progression is given, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2 into A plus L. So S76 is equals to 76 upon 2 into minus 5 minus 230. Solving this, we will get minus 8930. Moving to our question number 3, which says in an AP, first part says given A5, D3, AN 50. So we have to find N and Sn. So here we know A is given, that is 5, D is given, that is 3, AN is given, that is 50. So the nth term of arithmetic progression is 50. So AN is equal to 50. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 15. Now we will get n as 16. So the sum of nth term of an arithmetic progression is n as 16 is equals to 16 upon 2 into 5 plus 50. Further solving this, we will get 440. Second part says given a as 7, a 13 as 35, and we have to find d and s 13. So here a is given and a 13 is given. So a 13 is 35 and a is 7. So applying the formula a plus 13 minus 1 into d is equals to 35. So d will come as 7 upon 3. Further, the sum of n term of an arithmetic progression is given, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2 into a plus 1. Solving this, we will get 273 as S13. Third part says given A12 that is 37 and D as 3. We have to find A and S12. So D is given, that is 3, and A12 is given, that is 37. It means A plus 12 minus 1 into D is equals to 37. Solving this, we will get A as 4. So the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression is Sn is equals to n upon 2 into A plus L. Applying the values, we will get S12 as 246. Fourth part says given, that is A3 is equals to 15, S10 is equal to 125, and we have to find D and A10. Again, putting the same values in A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 15, we will get A is equals to 15 minus 2D. That is our first equation. So S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So 125 is equals to 5 into 2A plus 9D. Solving this, we will get an equation, that is 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Now we have to put the value of A from equation 1. That is 2 into 15 minus 2D plus 9D is equals to 25. It will give you D as minus 1. Now moving further, putting the value of D in equation 1, we will get A is equal to 15 minus 2 into minus 1 is equals to 17. So A10 will become as 8. Fifth part says D is given, that is 5, S9 is given, that is 75, and we have to find A and A9. Again with the same formula, that is S9 is equal to 9 upon 2 into 2A plus 9 minus 1 into 5. It will give you A as minus 35 upon 3. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which will give you minus 35 upon 3 plus 9 minus 1 into 5. Solving further, we will get A10 is equals to 85 upon 3. Moving to our sixth part, which says A is given, that is 2, D is given, that is 8, Sn is given, that is 90, and we have to find n and A10. So here A is given, D is given, and Sn is given. So we can find S90, that is n upon 2 into 4 plus 8n minus 8. It will give you 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0, an equation. So we have 2n plus 9 and n minus 5, which are equals to 0. So n is equal to 5 and n is equal to minus 9 upon 2. It means n is 5. Solving further, we will get A5 is equals to 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8 is equals to 2 plus 32, that is equals to 34. So A10 is 34. Seventh part says A is given, that is 8, An is given, that is 62, Sn is given, that is 210. We have to find n and D. So A is given, that is 8, An is equals to 62, and Sn is given, that is 210. So further we have to solve it, and 210 is equals to n upon 2 into 8 plus 62. It will give you n as 6. And An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So applying the value, we will get D as 54 upon 5. Eighth part says given, that is An is equals to 4, D is equals to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14. And we have to find n and A. So An is given and D is given and Sn is given. So 4 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 2. So 4 is equal to A plus 2n minus 2 is equals to A as 6 minus 2n. So this is our first equation. So Sn is equal to n upon 2, that is 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So minus 14 is equal to n upon 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into 2. It will give you minus 14 is equals to n into A plus n minus 1. So now we have to put the value from equation 1. So minus 14 is equal to n into 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1. So minus 14 is equal to n into 5 minus n. Solving further, we will get n as 7 and n as minus 2. Now we have to put the value of d in equation 1. It will give you 6 minus 2 into 7, that is minus 8. Ninth part says given that is 3, n that is 8 and s that is 192. We have to find d. So here a is given, n is given and s is given. Solving with the same method, that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a plus an, we will get an as 45. Further moving, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 45 is equal to 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d. Solving this, we will get d as 6. 10th part says given that is L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144 and there are total 9 terms, find A. So L that is given 28, S that is given 144 and N that is given 9. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into A plus 1. So Sn that is 144 is equals to n that is 9 upon 2 into A plus 28. So 144 into 2 upon 8 is equals to A plus 28. So here we will get A as 40. So guys, we will continue the rest of the question in another video. I hope you like this video. And yes, if you have any doubt or any query related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Aglasem Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.